your next experiment is the magic tea. To verify the property of magic tea, in this experiment we have studied your magic tea property. We have already seen the magic tea is the 4-port device. You see here, this is a 4-port device. Suppose we consider port 1 is this one, port 2 is the second, and port 3 is the this one, and port 4 is the this one. Magic tea combination of E plane and H plane T means this arm is called as a H arm, this is called arm as called a E arm. Now in this experiment we have measure only the isolation port. Isolation port means this port number 4 and port number 3. Whatever you given the input is in this port, to measure the out whatever come across this output port number 4 means whatever means this isolation between third and fourth port, the power level whatever come. You to see here the next the measurement value, you see here we measure a input power means whatever you given, and be in the H arm, and next to measure your E arm whatever power come across your H arm. Now difference between this one is give you isolation. This is your experiment. To go your microwave bench setup, to see here this is a microwave bench setup. First to set up your first mode of your using Klystron power supply by changing your Rappler voltage and beam voltage. After this one we put up your magic tea. This is your magic tea connected here. You to see here this is 4-port magic tea. Also we remove here, then you to see properly. You also see the shortest section is you put up here. You also this is a combination, that's why we remove here to connect this one. Means here you to see here this is your magic tea. Magic tea is the 4-port device. To see here this is your H arm, this is your H arm, this is your E arm, this is a 2 side arm. Means we given an input power in this, and we check out the power in this port. Means we consider port number 3 is your input port number 4 is output, to measure your power out. To see here to measure a power we use a detector mount. This is your detector mount, means detect the whatever power come across this port to detect and to indicate your VSWR meter. Now first to see whatever power is come in this across. So what we have done here, first remove this E plane sorry, this is first remove my magic tea, then put your detector mount in this section. After putting detector mount in this section we measure your input power. After measuring your input power we connect your magic tea and replace this your detector mount in here in port number 4. Now next to measure your this power whatever come. Now first go to your remove this one to measure your input power. To see here now to measure a input power means when we connect your magic tea, the magic tea for this port is as a input power. Means after removing this detector mount we replace this one. Now this is a input for whatever power is come in this detector mount. Now the detector mount indicate power level of your signal is your PSWR meter. To see here whatever power is come in this across, this is the detector mount, this is your detector mount. Detector mount is detected your power signal level. To see here the indicate here this is your VSWR meter ranges. To see here this is your bottom of your lines, but we use here the your second line of bottom. This is your dB, this is your in the dB range, this is your red line in the dB range. Also this indication also use your this dB range. Now this dB plus whatever the pointer indicate in the dB, this indicate plus this indicate, both are added, then your final power is calculated. Now to see here indicate is 30 ranges plus this come across 1 dB near over, means 31, input as a 31. But now this pointer is now reduced to 0 dB. How can reduce in the right side means 0 dB. To see here, to change this position, be to select this knob pointer and this selector this knob pointer to change the position, and to see here, this is come here in the 0 dB, then stop. Okay, next to move, next to move, next to move. This is your 0 dB. Means I select 0 dB of indication. This is your indicate 0 dB plus this is your 30 dB. This is your range is get 30 dB. Means this is your 30 plus 0 dB. 0 plus 30 means 30 dB. Means to select as input 30 dB. Means this is when you select your input as a 30 dB. Now what next step we do to remove this one? First, when go to your remove this one, first to power off this one, means switch off this one, and next to move this is your detector mount. After removing this detector mount, we replace your this magic tee. We use a stand. To see here, I remove this one. After measure your as a input whatever come across this port of power, now this magic tee is connected. Now this is magic tee is connected. Now suppose this one is connected. Now what next step? Whatever power is come, be measure as a input. Now input is as a this is port line of your H arm. Means port third is whatever power is come, be measure. Next to measure this port number 4. Now how can you measure? Means to connect this one, and suppose this one is connected. Suppose this one is connected. This one is connected. Now next one is your detector mount is connected. Next step your detector mount is connected. Now this is proper is connection. Now next step you measure your power. Okay, these are your this is your power input, and to measure your next step for power at port number 4. After measure your input power, we connect as a input of this port of H arm. This power come in this arm. Now to see your power whatever come across port number 4 means this one port number 4. This means isolation port. Now the detector mount is connected. To see here, this is your detector mount. Now this power is now measure in this port number 4. You to see here the probe is connected in your VSWR meter. To see here, this is your VSWR meter. Now the range of pointer is your left sided. Now not a proper ranges. To select a proper ranges, we change your this knob. Means this your range is changes, then your pointer is come in the proper form. Now you to see here, now this is your 30 dB. Now this 30 dB is changes 40, not also come in this range. Now also changes 50, this come to 50, also not come in this range. Next to move your 60. Also to see here, this is come in this range. Means between this one, this is your left sided in the left sided most pointer. Means it comes in this ranges. Means this is your the second line of your bottom. This is your dB ranges. Used to see here is come here 60 plus. To see here the red line in the dB, you to see here, this is your come across near about 7 dB. Means this your pointer indicates 7 dB, and this your indicate your 60 plus 7. This is your indicate your 67. Means whatever is come power output is come is the 67 dB in this port. Means port number 4 is power is come is the 67 dB. Okay, next to calculate the isolation. The isolation we have already seen how to calculate it. Power input is come 30 dB, and the output power which is E arm means port number 4 is come 67. Now differentiate with this value. this come is minus 37, means this is indicate the high isolation between E arm and H arm. This is your experiment.